In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the dreaded and error occurred error in Notion, step by step, using simple and proven methods that work in 2026. This issue can pop up when you're opening a page, editing content, or even just trying to load your workspace, and it can be extremely frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of important work. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to try is duplicating the page that's giving you the error. In Notion, right-click on the problematic page in the sidebar, or click the three dots at the top right if the page opens, and select Duplicate. In many cases, the error is tied to a single corrupted page instance, and duplicating it creates a clean copy that loads correctly. Once the duplicate is created, open it and check if the error is gone. If it is, you can safely move your content forward using the duplicated page and delete the original one later. This alone fixes the issue for a lot of users. If duplicating the page doesn't solve it, the next step is to refresh and wait. Simply refresh your browser tab, or if you're using the desktop app, close Notion completely and reopen it. After refreshing, give it a minute or two before interacting with the page again. Sometimes the error occurs because Notion hasn't fully synced with its servers, especially during peak usage times. Waiting briefly allows the app to resync and reload the content properly. While this sounds simple, it's surprisingly effective. If the error is still there, the third step is to log out of Notion and then log back in. Click on your profile picture, choose Log Out, and fully sign out of your account. After that, close the browser or app, reopen it, and log back in using your email or single sign-on method. This refreshes your session and clears temporary authentication issues that can cause the "an error occurred" message to appear. Once you're logged back in, try opening the page again and see if it loads normally. Step number 4 is to check the Notion status page. Sometimes the problem has nothing to do with your account or your content at all. Open a new tab and go to status.notion.so. Here, you can see if Notion is experiencing outages, degraded performance, or server issues. If you see an ongoing incident, the best thing to do is wait it out. Notion usually resolves these issues fairly quickly, and your pages will start working again automatically once the service is fully restored. The final step, if none of the previous ones worked, is to remove heavy content from the page. Pages with large databases, embedded files, multiple synced blocks, or heavy integrations can sometimes trigger loading errors. If you can access the page even briefly, try removing large embeds, splitting the content into smaller pages, or moving sections into separate pages. This reduces the load and often stops the error from happening again. Once the page is lighter, refresh and check if everything works smoothly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the "an error occurred" error in Notion and get back to work without losing your data. If this video saved you time or frustration, make sure to hit a like button, subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.